Hello friends, let's make light, fluffy and airy pancakes. If you know me, you know how much I love pancakes. Today, we're going to make purple grapes pancakes. The chances are, if you look into your pantry right now, you have everything you need to make them from the scratch. Get started. First, we are going to mix our dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix the dry ingredients to make sure everything is combined. Let's move to the wet ingredients. You can use buttermilk if you have, but it's okay if you don't have. I'm using 1.5 cups of milk. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can also add vinegar to create your own buttermilk. The acidity in the buttermilk helps break down the gluten in the flour, which results in more tender and fluffy pancakes. Three tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 large eggs, Gently mix the wet ingredients into the dry. At this point, I realized that I was using a small bowl, but I refused to change it. I'm not using more utensils. It's okay to have some lumps. Do not overmix. We want our pancake to be light and fluffy. I like my butter to be on the thicker side so that they can get nice big bubbles and the pancakes are nice and tall. Add 1 cup of purple grapes in the batter and fold them together. Now heat a non-stick pan or a griddle over medium heat and grease it with some butter or oil to get that crispy ends. The acid in the buttermilk reacts with baking soda, creating carbon dioxide bubbles that causes the pancakes to rise and become fluffy. Cook until bubbles form on the surface and then you can flip. Look at that. Cook the other side until golden brown. stack your pancakes nice and tall. If you're feeling fancy, you can add some fresh grapes on top and a drizzle of syrup. You can check the recipe for this homemade syrup. The pancakes are so tasty, soft, fluffy, and airy. I hope you enjoy this recipe and give it a try. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Until then, bye!